Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to stop Vegas Pro crashing on your PC because it happens a lot at my side and it's so annoying because so many projects were just crashed and gone, you know. And yeah, be sure to follow this video here and check that you have everything right and have fun. So the first step you're gonna do is click on options, then you click on the last one, okay, um, and on this one you see many buttons here. You can click on video, okay, and right here you select your GPU escalator, I think it's in English, and then you don't choose your optimal graphics card, you just choose off. Okay, be sure to choose off, and then you click OK. You close that window, then you click options again, and now you press shift and click on the last button here. And if you do that, you have a new tab here that's called intern, and you see many things. You just type in SO4. Okay, then you see four things you can change, and you change the second one, what's called like this. Okay, only this one, because you don't want anything to corrupt here. Just select this setting. Okay, then it's normally called true. You double click on it and name it to false. And yeah, that fixes for me. I found this in another video and I thought if I share it with you guys, I can save you a lot of crashes, a lot of annoying crashes, and yeah, have fun with that guys and enjoy your editing without a crash.